Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna, polymer clay jewelry artist. I couldn't get a sleep because I was cold, but I was too lazy to get another additional blanket. I was thinking too much about my next collections, what to launch, how to continue my business, and yeah, today I'm so tired. I also need to change. I am in my old clothes. I have created also lemons. I plan to launch lemon earrings in the fall. I have the cutter here. It's very simple and cute. What do you think, guys? I need your opinion. Is this enough yellow? I'm not 100% sure because I made it with orange color. I put a tiny drop of orange color and it's kind of yellow, but I'm not sure if it's enough yellow for lemons. Today I will be working on a full collection. I have really cute cutters. Where they are now? I have this pumpkin cutter and I will make also some leaves. So stay with me. I wasn't satisfied with the fall collection. I feel like I mixed too many colors and the result didn't reflect the mood I had in mind. It felt a bit chaotic instead of calm and warm, so I have decided to start over and create a new fall collection. But next time, in the next video, the collection that feels more true to my vision. I want to show you new things. I ordered some cutters and some other things. And finally I have a cornstarch box with this beautiful cover. It's full of hearts. I'm very happy because I had some old box and it was not so useful and practical, so it was a mess when I was doing earrings. When I was making earrings, it was a mess. So now I have this box and I'm very grateful and happy and oh yes, like a small child. So thank you, Luli Cutters. I will link her shop in the description box so you can check. And if you're also polymer clay artist, you can check her shop. You will be very satisfied because cutters are sharp enough. They're very good quality. They're also sturdy and hard, and they will not break. So yeah, I'm very grateful that I found this shop because not every shop is good and quality. From Luli Cutters Etsy shop. I'm very satisfied with this shop and owner is very sweet, extra sweet if I can say that. So yeah, I have placed the order and I got shrimps, mirrored ones. So now finally I can make some studs, and first person who will wear it is me. So yeah, I'm waiting for these summer shrimps. Then I ordered this thickness guide finally. Now I'm going to bake apple strudel. In our country is very common to bake apple strudel as a dessert. It's very simple and it's delicious. My son loves it. So let's go and bake apple strudel. In our country we say jabučni strudel. We need some apples, of course. I grated 4 smaller apples and added 2 tablespoons of sugar. I used store-bought puff pastry. I didn't make it myself. I spread the grated apples over the pastry, added some raisins and a lot of cinnamon, as you can see, then rolled everything up. Okay, so that's all for this video. Take care and see you in the next one.